Falcon resto, part 4. Big thank you to those who have watched all so far and all the comments and that. I read everything. It's taken off way more than I thought it would, and it's cool to know that other people are interested in this. What I'm going to do is start my actual panel work on this car, blocking some of these panels down and yeah, finding all the little hidden dents and bump out what needs to be bumped out. There are a couple of little more holes and whatnot that need to be welded up, a couple little rust patches to do here and there. Pretty much just start working on one panel at a time and slowly work my way around the car, like fine-tuning a few little things here and there, and yeah, let's get into it. So now I've got the roof roughly blocked and I can see all the hidden little dents and the big stuff. There's some big stuff on the other side actually. Yeah, all this stuff here. More filler. And there's going to be a lot of this going on because this is essentially how you get a car straight. By applying your bog or some sort of filler, whether it be your polyesters or a high build primer. Yeah, every car out there that's nice and straight has some kind of filler on it. I get the dents out as much as possible, so it's the less filler that's required. I've got the roof and the tops of the quarter panels all done. Left the corners of the windows because there's still a little bit of rust in there, and I've got to grind it all back and probably do a little bit of welding, maybe some patching in there. Wondering why there's so much bog in here. That's because there was those two lead joins that connect the quarter panel and the roof, and yeah, it's just hard to get them all level, so it's just easiest just to do one nice big skim. I don't know if you'll be able to tell by watching this video, but I haven't done a lot on the old girl lately. It's been pretty much raining like every weekend, so I haven't really had the chance to get it out and do anything with it. But the sun's shining and I'm ready to get stuck in. This driver's door is absolutely peppered. It'll need a lot of attention to fix it up. See all the little dents and high spots in it. I'm really happy with the way the rear doors turned out, and even that lower quarter panel. wrap up this video here. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. All 4 doors done, quarter panels, roof, and yeah, I've left all the lower sections because I think in the next video I'll do some rust patching and some welding.